Welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show some introductory concepts on MongoDB, right? So introductory concept, just installation. If you want to start working with MongoDB, the initial steps, the installation, the corresponding software required, and some basic operations, right? Okay. So MongoDB, you know that it's a NoSQL database, not only SQL database, document-based database. Yeah, not relational, document-based, okay? So installation and some initial stuff, right? Okay. So this is me. I hope that you can still see it. Okay, let me see. So in terms of share, okay, stop sharing, and then I can do the, let's say, new share. Okay, stop share is here. Sorry about that. And then share screen. Well, let's share the screen. That it's sure that you will see the PowerPoint sharing. I believe still that is supposed to show it the presentation more anyway. So this is Saeed Ahmed. So I'm from Toronto, Canada. Okay. So as I told, the topics will be MongoDB installation and some basic operations, right? The installation, let's say, so you need various software, right? Different software. If you want to do it on your local, right? There are some cloud services or online access where you can do some work. That's a different thing, but let's say you're installing on your server, on your local computer, right? So you need MongoDB server, MongoDB Compass, Mongo Shell, Studio 3D. Don't need all of them. I believe we just need only one of them or two of them. Okay, that will do that. Or one or two, right? So let me see. So MongoDB server, right? So MongoDB server is the database management system. So it's the database management system. The database is there, right? Database gets created there. Data is stored. Data is organized in some places, right? So it is there, the DBMS. So MongoDB server that is responsible for this creation, maintaining, or giving the interface to access this data, right? That is the MongoDB server, right? Now, there is one other component, MongoDB client. What does MongoDB client do? MongoDB client will go there and then retrieve the data. So probably you give some data through MongoDB client, it will insert data. MongoDB client, that is the user interface, right? Interface or client to work with the MongoDB server, right? So there are two components that we need, right? So MongoDB server, MongoDB. So the server side, how do we need the MongoDB server software, right? When you download MongoDB community server or MongoDB server, the flavor the company has, so you get the MongoDB server that maintains the database. Usually it comes with some sort of client as well, just like MongoDB Compass, right? In that case, Compass, what does it do? It helps you to access the data from the database, right? So that is the RoboCompass, MongoDB Compass, not RoboCompass, MongoDB Compass, and the MongoDB server. So you download MongoDB server, you install it, you get both the server and client. That's how we can do it, right? So you may or may not like MongoDB Compass. I may not prefer to use MongoDB Compass as a client. I may use something else, right? So Mongo Shell and Studio 3D. These are also client. Mongo Shell, Mongo SH, Mongo Shell, Studio 3D. Yeah, both are good options for me at least. Mongo Shell is command line interface. You write the Mongo queries, Mongo DDL queries or Mongo DML queries into Mongo SH, right? Studio 3D, it's a graphical user interface. It's a graphical user interface where you can run the MongoDB Mongo queries. Then you can connect to the MongoDB server and then issue query insert or see data, right? So even for RoboMongo or Mongo SH or Studio 3D or RoboMongo, everywhere you connect to the MongoDB server. So MongoDB server is the mass thing, storage thing, and then you need a client, right? Okay, so you know it, and this is the one. So w3schools.com. So here you have some basic working of MongoDB operations in creating database, creating table-like object like collection, the data row, like document. So all those things, and then finding, inserting, updating, deleting, finding one, finding many, deleting one, deleting many, dropping and renaming. All those things will be there, right? Okay, so installation. How do you install? So usually in a local, there will be some community server. Okay, so I probably could show you at this moment how do this MongoSH or RoboMongo or StreetTree looks like. Let me one little thing. Let me pause it and bring them and then show it, right? Okay, let me see how does it look like, right? I install MongoDB server, and then with the MongoDB shell, I'll go. Okay, Mongo shell, MongoSH. So that's what it is. I may or may not have it, the post collection. Okay, that's okay. That is the Mongo queries. It is just the idea is MongoSH, right? I mean command prompt in the Windows command prompt, right? So yeah, if you're watching this, you definitely know it. So okay, now come to the how does the RoboMongo looks like. This is another plan, right? These are all the different databases that I created in Studio 3D. Studio 3D, a database created in Studio 3D. I will not say like this. Actually, I created the database into the MongoDB server, where Studio 3D connected there, and then I showed one of those, right? Let me see, right click, disconnect. There is nothing, right? So it's just the software, right? Now if I connect, okay, so I connect it to the database server, and then all the database is coming from there, right? And if you want to write something, open IntelliShell, where you can do the let's say posts, right? Dot posts dot find. Okay, if it works good, if it not, I'll not spend time here. Run selection, run statement, run enter script. That is just showing all the data here, right? And you know that MongoDB stores data in JSON format, so this is what it is. Okay. So we have some ideas. What does the software look like? MongoDB server is in the backend, and the client I use the Studio 3D, the graphical one, and the other one is the Mongo shell, right? And there is one another Compass. Okay. Okay, MongoDB Compass. I don't use it that much. Just a graphical, but I think Studio 3D has way more features than this, right? So these are the different connections. So connections to the database server, right? Okay. So this is the one. So you can type a query here. Let's say you can use this as a query. I mean, you want, okay, let's say company underscore name, colon, micro pyramid. Micro pyramid. Let me don't go into there. I don't want to sidetrack. Okay, let's go to our PowerPoint. Let me see if I have that. Okay. So how to install? Go there. So go there. So the server, right? MongoDB community server, select package, and then install it. It is for the community MongoDB Atlas. So yeah, MongoDB Atlas, it is for Windows. Let's see. It is also for it is also for the Mac OS as the MongoDB Atlas. So the brew install MongoDB, you'll find this command in Mac OS. That's where I used brew command. You may or may not have in Windows. You might have access to it using some other components. Okay. MongoDB Atlas. Yeah. It probably just saying that it's a cloud thing. Anyway, I think it also has some cloud features. Let's not go into that direction. So yeah, select package, and then you need to platform Windows. You can see other platform is also there. Windows x64, and then current version. Okay. If you download the Mac OS version, then you need to follow the instructions like this. Or if you're on Mac OS, then you can also use the Atlas as well, right? The cloud, you can do it there. Let me see, I might have, okay. So this is one of the Atlas thing. Atlas, you can see the interface looks like MongoDB context, right? So I just did a filter, name water bottle. Okay. So this is among the query. Anyway, I was in the here. So yes, you go there, download the community server. After download, I usually prefer the MSI version. So you double click step by step, right? One thing you might want to create some environment variable. Read the instructions, you may create some environment variable. Okay. So after you install it, MongoDB Compose will be there, and then MongoDB shell, right? So for MongoDB shell, you go there, and then you download, right? MongoDB shell, you download it. Windows version package. Yeah, MSI or zip. MSI, I prefer it. Zip is also okay. For zip, extract, and then you click on the thing. Okay, MSI. So you can see how to access it. You need to go to command prompt, then you can Mongo sh, then it will bring it, right? Okay, so after you install, now you may need to set some path variable. Path variable means environment variable in Windows, right? In Mac OS and in Linux, you may need to set the path, right? Then it will work. Studio 3D, robomongo.org. If there is a download file, robomongo.org. Download it, right? Again, download for Windows. For other platform, you can go and see what is in there. Okay. After you download, yes, it will be MSI, or yeah, I believe it's an MSI. Then you just regular installation. So there is nothing very difficult. Okay, so this is how you install, right? MongoDB community server, and then one of the client, Mongo shell or Mongo, right? Or you can just use the MongoDB Compass. Okay. Where is the mouse? Okay, so let's go there. So community server, you know how to do it. MongoDB Compass, you know how does it look like. Connect to the database and then with the filtering. Okay, so Mac, right? Install on Mac. So yeah, in MongoDB Atlas, there is a online version for free. You can just write there. You'll have the minimal storage. But if you want a big amount of storage, you need to buy some upgraded plan, right? So install on Mac. Okay. Hosted MongoDB service, you can do it. So you can use Homebrew in the Mac version Brew. I think it's a powerful thing for installation and all those things. So you can use Brew for that purpose, right? Okay, so there are some common tools you can use this. Okay, follow the instructions. I saw others doing it. I saw that others doing it. It works. It works. And yeah, I saw others use it. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I also showed you in terms of okay, let's see, downloading. Yeah, this is I think that class. If you look at, I think if you're not going to, for whatever reason, if I get difficult, just start working with the cloud, right? And then you can go from there. Okay. So what are the different concepts of MongoDB, right? So one thing is the database, just like the regular DBMS system, SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, the DBMS, right? Database itself, right? Now, database itself, then the regular is what you do. On the database, you create some tables, right? Tables mean Microsoft Excel, row and column wise organizing data in row and column, right? That is the table. The similar concept is collection. Similar, but not exactly the same, right? Collection. Collection also stores data in MongoDB. So it is a key value pair for each row. For each row, you can use the attribute and value, you format in JSON format. That's how we insert it, right? Documents. Document is the JSON data that you insert into the collection, right? So a database will have many collections, and the collections will have many documents. Documents are equivalent to rows. Row of data, collection is equivalent to table, right? So database has collections have documents. Document, you can think of data records. Okay. Okay, that's about the first one, video on MongoDB. I hope you learned something. Is there anything specific else I can show? Probably no. Now, yeah, this video I will upload it here. Okay, in this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.